Today I will show you the process of downloading and installing as well as configuring the Apache Tomcat web server. So in order to download the Apache Tomcat web server, you need to open the browser and go to Google and type Tomcat server download. Now you have so many options here. It could be 8.5 version and the Tomcat server download for Windows 11 or Macintosh operating system or Linux. Now I'm showing for Windows operating system. So when you type just Tomcat server download, now you have a lot of options here. Is a 10 version, here it is 9 version, okay, and it goes on. You can see so many. So I'm going for Tomcat, Apache Tomcat 9. Just click this, and here you can see there is something called download. So we have Tomcat 11, 10, and 9. So which version web server you want, you can just click that. But as of now, I'm going for 9. And prior to this particular Tomcat, you need to have Java Development Kit software, that is 1.8 version and above. Okay, then you can install this particular software, because at the time of installation, it is going to search for the JDK software. So you need to install JDK prior to this particular software. So here you can see Tomcat 9 I'm going for, and already it is in there here because I was searching. I would just click for Tomcat 9. So if you want to go for higher versions, you can just click and go for. And here you are getting 32-bit / 64-bit Windows Service Installer. So just click this option. Just click this so that one exe file gets downloaded. Okay, so here you can just click. Once you get downloaded, you just click this option. Okay, so here this is a welcome page. Then you click next. Then you click the terms and conditions. I agree. Then if you want any host manager or examples, you can click that. Otherwise, you can just click next. By default, these all things you need to be there. Okay, click next. Now here 8080 basically is clashing with Oracle database. So I'm changing that particular port number to 9090 or any other number apart from 8080. Okay, and here it is asking for Tomcat administrator login. I just click admin, and the password is also the admin. Okay, and the other things you can leave it off. Then click next. Okay, so here I've changed to 9090, and here I have been made admin and admin. Okay, so you need to make a note of this. Then click next. Now here it is searching for the JDK. Please select the path of Java 8 or later JR installed on your system. So already it is there in Java C drive, that is a Java folder. So I'm clicking next, and here it is showing the destination folder. So in C program files, it is installing in the folder called Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 9.0 is a folder name, and space required, it is showing 16.2 MB, and space available whatever is there in my system. Then click install. It is starting installing. Now it got installed. Now I can just remove that show readme file, but here you click and run Apache Tomcat, then finish. Now it is starting the Tomcat server for you. Now once it has been done, here you get an icon, this one, this icon you can see Apache Tomcat 9.0. So you just click this, and here you can see the service status is started. Service status is started. So here it is a manual process. So if you want, you can just go for automatic. If you keep like this, any point of time your system gets started, automatically the server is also be getting started. Otherwise, what you need to do is manually, means you need to externally Suppose if I go for stop option, again you need to manually start the particular server. Okay, so as of now it is started. Then if you want to cross verify whether the particular software is installed properly or not, you can just open another tab and type here localhost colon 9090 what you are given. Okay, and press enter. Now here, this page you need to get. If your software is installed properly, then you are going to get this particular page. Okay. Now, if your software is not installed properly, or if the software is installed properly but the server is not running, then this page you are not going to get. Okay. Maybe I'll just stop this one. And again, I'll refresh this page. So you can see the page is not been displayed now. If you want to start, you can go for typing configure Tomcat. Can you see here configure Tomcat? Just click this, and here you get an option and click start button. Okay, then you get service status is started, and again you refresh, you're going to get this page. Okay, now after doing this, you need to set the class path. Okay, so you can go to the folder. In C drive it got installed, right? You go for the C drive. Okay, then in that you have program files, and in that Apache Software Foundation. Then you go for Tomcat 9.0. Then you can go for lib. And in this, you need to select servlet-api.jar. This one. This one you need to set the class path. So as of now, I'm just clicking here. You get this path. You just copy this. Copy. Then select the My Computer PC. Right click. Go to the properties. Then go for advanced system settings. Then go for environment variables. And here in my system is already set up. So I'm editing that. So you have a class path here. You need to create a class path. And here, till here, I'm going to just put a different path because it's 9.0 version, right? Earlier I was using 8.5, but now I installed 9.0. Okay, and then you need to append this one also. After lib, you need to put a backslash and servlet-api.jar because everything is stored into that. Okay. Now, sometimes you might get a problem still like package not found. Maybe it's better you just add one more here also in class path into the system variable also. So again here also I'll copy same 9.0. Okay, so both the place we are taking and just click OK. Okay, so if you don't set the class path, what happens is your servlet programs, what we are using like generic servlet or HTTP servlet or servlet request, servlet response, now these are all the interface and classes which are available inside package that is servlet-api.jar. Okay, that particular thing should be accessed, right? So if you don't set the class path, we are not able to access. So you get the output like error messages like servlet request not found or a package not found. Okay, Java servlet package not found. These sort of errors will be there. So I want to avoid that. So you need to obviously set the class path. Okay, right? Now, once you're done with this, you can just click the manager app. And generally, it is going to ask you the admin user ID and password here. Earlier, I was already opened, so here it is not asking, but it will generally ask the user ID and password. Okay, so you need to give admin and admin whatever mentioned, and here we need to upload our files. Okay, so I hope I have given some input on how to install the Tomcat server, which is a web server. Okay, and I've shown how to set the class path also. So by this, you can just download the Tomcat web server, and you can install and set the class path and be ready for the servlet applications and JS2 applications execution. If you like this video, do comment, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Thank you.